Kosovo Work and Employment Permit Guide. 40,000 plus job vacancies nationwide. Kosovo faces labor shortages in construction, manufacturing, transport, agriculture, healthcare, hospitality, logistics, and information technology. Labor market statistics are monitored by the Kosovo Agency of Statistics, ASK, and the Ministry of Finance, Labor and Transfers. Top 10 white-collar jobs facing worker shortages in Kosovo. 1. Software developers. 2. IT support specialists. 3. Network administrators. 4. Civil engineers. 5. Mechanical engineers. 6. Accountants and financial analysts. 7. Doctors and medical specialists. 8. Pharmacists. 9. Teachers, especially STEM subjects. 10. Project managers. Top 10 blue-collar jobs with worker shortages in Kosovo. 1. Construction workers. 2. Truck drivers. 3. Electricians. 4. Plumbers. 5. Welders. 6. Carpenters. 7. Industrial mechanics. 8. Warehouse workers. 9. Machine operators. 10. Agricultural workers. Average salary 600 to 700 euros per month. Full-time employees earn wages depending on sector, experience, and company size. Higher salaries are generally found in Pristina, Prizren, Peja, and Gjilan, where most business activity is concentrated. Unemployment rate around 10 to 11%. Kosovo maintains a developing labor market. According to the Kosovo Agency of Statistics Labor Force Survey, unemployment remains around 10 to 11%, though many sectors still face worker shortages due to migration of workers to EU countries. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Kosovo is 40 hours, regulated under the Labor Law of Kosovo. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees are legally entitled to at least 20 days of paid annual leave, plus official public holidays. Minimum salary approximate 350 euros per month. Kosovo's national minimum wage is approximately 350 euros per month, regulated by the government and periodically reviewed. Personal income tax 10%. Kosovo applies a progressive income tax system ranging from 0% to 10%, along with mandatory pension contributions.